proudly take on the fastest hedgehog in the world, like this. Ahem.
You forgetting something? Da 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 da.
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, has anyone seen Chris and Francis? We haven't seen them since they went to Angleton. Maybe we should go help them.
No way!
No way, they're fine. Are you sure, Sonic? Yeah.
100% sure.
He's right. I'm pretty sure they're fine. Durr.
Like being you isn't punishment enough. Peach lip balm? Strawberry hand lotion? Wants to smell like a fruit salad. It's my hand lotion. Oh. We're in trouble and you're worried that your hands aren't soft enough. What a girl. With brains.
Switch brains.
Have some hand lotion in my back pocket. If you can rub it on your wrist, my wrist, your hand should be able to slide out. And how am I supposed to reach it?
Very clever.
How am I supposed to reach it?
I know.
Ow! Hey, that hurt. Blaney, you should be happy. You're kicking my butt. Ow! Hey, that hurt. Blaney, you should be happy. You're kicking my butt. Since you put it that way.
We're free. But let's never tell anyone of this. Your secret secure, Francis. Weirdest day ever.